Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to access data folder in Android 13. Let's get started. So if you want to access your data folder in your Android 13 device, then what you can do is just simply open up your files. After opening up your files, now what you have to do is just tap on internal storage, which is on the bottom of your screen. So in your files that might be somewhere else, what you have to do is just simply navigate to your internal storage and then tap on that option. So after tapping on your internal storage, now you'll come up to this page. From here you just have to tap on Android. So just tap on Android. After tapping on Android, now you can access your data file. So here you can see this file, which is data. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have successfully accessed your data file. So this is how you can access your data files. But in Android 13, if you can't find Android button, or you can find Android option inside your internal storage, then what you have to do is you just have to simply open up your settings. So you can also open up your settings and then search for app info, but you can also just tap and hold on to this app and then tap on this option, which is app info. And after coming up to your app info, now what you can do is just tap on force stop, and after tapping on force stop, you just have to stop this application. So if there is an option to uninstall this app, you can also do that. And after doing that, now you have to open up your Play Store and then search for files. After searching for files, now you have to download this file. So just download this one, and after downloading this file, you can easily access your Android feature. So you can just install this file, but if your files allows you to access that Android feature, then no need to follow this step. But if you can't find that Android option, then what you can do is just simply install this file application, and after installing this file application, you can access that option. So that's it guys, this is how to access data folder in Android 13. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.